In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a Jotform. We'll walk through opening your form from the Jotform dashboard, previewing it the way a respondent would see it, and placing a clean, readable signature in the correct spot. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. If you're prompted, sign into your account so you can access your workspace. This ensures you're working with the most up-to-date version of your forms and can use the built-in preview to test the signature experience accurately. Once you're on the Jotform homepage and signed in, look to the left side of the dashboard for the navigation panel. Click the All option there. This view collects every form in your account in one list, making it simple to find the one that needs a signature. If you have many forms, you can also filter or search by title, but the All section is the fastest way to see everything at a glance. Next, locate the form that includes a signature field. It might be labeled Signature Form or have a title that clearly indicates it requires a signature. Click Edit Form. This opens the form builder where you can confirm that the signature element is present and positioned correctly. If you're just here to sign, don't worry, you won't be changing the design. You're simply using the builder as a launching point for a live preview. In the form builder, look toward the upper right corner and click Preview Form. Preview mode shows you exactly what respondents see, which is the best place to test the signature field. It also helps you catch issues like the signature box being too small or placed in a confusing spot before you share the form more broadly. Now, in the preview, scroll to the signature field, click inside the signature box to activate it. Using your mouse, trackpad, or a finger on a touchscreen, draw your signature smoothly within the boundaries of the box. If you make a mistake, look for the Clear or Reset button near the signature field and try again until it's legible. Keep your strokes steady and avoid rushing. A clear signature reduces back and forth later. If your form supports typed signatures, you may see a type option. Choose that only if it's acceptable for your use case. That's it. You've opened Jotform, accessed all your forms, entered the editor, previewed the live form, and added a proper signature. When you're satisfied, you can exit preview or continue reviewing the rest of the form as needed. This process ensures your signature field works flawlessly before you share the form with others.